Hey everybody, Standing here with dinner reviews. And if you're looking for a compact space heater and not just one, but two, you have to check out these space heaters here. They're going to be these designs that plug directly into the wall. Now you can swivel this depending on your outlet. You can go ahead and do different angles. So this will swivel by pushing in this button. So you do have that option. There is going to be an LED display, some buttons up top, and a remote, right? So let's go ahead and get this one turned on. We got it plugged in. There is an on-off kill switch on the side here. And we can turn that on. We are greeted with a temperature gauge, but we can go ahead and use this remote. And I already feel that heat coming out. These are pumping. So on the remote itself, we can go ahead and adjust the temperatures down. So that's really hot right there. Now I'm going lower, and this is starting to give me that cooler temperature. If I wanted to go up, I can go up, and we can go ahead and crank that. And that's really hot. You got to be careful there. So we'll bump that back down, and this thing is really cranking. Now you can also adjust the fan speed with this button to put it on low, and that's nice there. So it's not that loud and that's high. So you have two settings, fans. You also have a timer button too as well. So if you wanted to put this on the timer, now this does have an overheat protection. So if it would become over hot or overheated, it would turn itself off to cool itself down. And then you can also turn it on and off with this button too. So really cool. You're going to get two of them. You're going to get two remotes. This is great for small spaces. If you want to bring one in the office, and you want to warm your feet up, you can plug it in down by the ground to keep your feet warm. And again, having the remote is nice by turning it on and off and getting that heat. And it's instant heat, like again, super hot right here and just warming up your space. Definitely check it out. Highly recommend these two little space heaters.